Students, the next topic is electric potential and potential difference. This one says that in one wire, if this is the battery, positive terminal and the negative terminal, from higher pressure of the charge to lower pressure of the charge, how actually a charge will move with the amount of certain work done. How much charge is moved from high to low level, and that is how much work is done from moving one place to another place. That is how we are going to call it as a potential difference. See, when electron move only if there is a difference of electric pressure which is produced by the battery. Okay, this is how. And the next one is, we have the formula for this potential difference also, that is potential difference between 2 points. Okay, from here to here, the potential difference between 2 points, we are going to call it as a work done by charge. Work done by charge. The formula here I wrote, see, I'm going to write here also, V is equals to W by Q. This is how the volt is equals to work done by charge. Now I told that potential difference, and again I am saying volt. Listen it carefully. We are going to call potential difference as a volt also. Why? Because this one, the volt, or the potential difference between the two ends, is discovered by the Italian physicist in the time of 1745 to 1827, who he lived, called Alexander Volta. Okay, so Alexander Volta, because of his invention, because of his memory, we kept this as a volt. Okay, so V is equals to W by Q. What do you mean by V here? V is equals to volt, W is equals to work done, C is equals to charge. Okay, about charge we already learned. Then what is the SI unit of work done here? The SI unit of work done is joule. In the next video, I am going to give each and every SI unit, the concept, and along with that the word what we are going to mention it as. In the next video, I am going to give it. Okay, fine. And the next one is, see, you can see in the times of the SI unit they just given 1 volt is equals to 1 joule by coulomb. Always remember, if 1 joule or 1 joule of the work done has been taken place, in the sense how much volt it should be, 1 volt. Always remember, if 3 joule of the work done takes place, in the sense that is a 3 volt of the charges is moved. Always we have to remember 1 is 1 here. Okay, fine. So next one is voltmeter. What do you mean by voltmeter here? In the previous class, when we are discussing about the current, I told about the ammeter. Okay, what about this voltmeter now? Voltmeter says that the potential difference is measured by means of an instrument. See, current, that is a I we are measuring in the instrument called ammeter. But this voltage or potential difference or volt, we are going to mention in the form of the voltmeter. This is at both our instrument, as you are seeing in the screen. That is how the voltmeter is referenced as. Okay, and always you should remember, this might be asking in the 1 mark question for your annual exam, like how actually the voltmeter we are going to connect in the circuit diagram. Remember it carefully, my dears. The voltmeter is always connected in the parallel across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. Okay, so always when we are arranging or when we want to calculate the potential difference between the 2 points across the circuit, we have to connect that voltmeter, that is the instrument, in the parallel manner. Okay, this is all about the electric potential and the potential difference.